Hey everybody, I gotta be honest with you, I'm a little bit upset. Look at this. So I'm doing an open house. I sat out deer hunting all day yesterday. And I've been at an open house now for 5 minutes. And I have 5 deer right behind me. So that's fun. But on the plus side, if you're gonna be at an open house, you probably think I'm out in the middle of nowhere, right? This is Dutton Road in Rochester, right near Paint Creek Trail. Unbelievable. It's almost 2 acres. Look at this barn. Gazebo, outdoor kitchen, storage shed. So hey, if you want to come see the property that made me upset, 1277 Dutton from 2 to 4. Come console me on how bad of a deer hunter I am. See you guys.